Got my Cobra axle back. This is the one that broke on the Rubicon, so I sent it in for warranty. So you can see that that is my same outer cup. That's my same shaft. I marked it in a few spots, you can tell. And same inner cup. So they replaced the cage and the balls, which is what failed, so that's great. Boots, that's the same boot, I think. I think that same spot was on there. Pretty sure that's the same boot, but so it put me a new outer boot too. So actually, really quick turnaround, really awesome guys to deal with. They're always, Cobra's cool, right? These were rusting a little bit, a little surface rust on them, and actually you can tell the paint's kind of tacky, so they actually painted my cups. So I wonder, yeah, I wonder if this is the same boot. They just painted right up to it, I believe. Yeah, you can see the line. So pretty cool. I like that because that rust was starting to look kind of shisty. So, you know, no questions asked. They warranted it, which is awesome. Good for them. They definitely were recommending that I get some of the King Cobras, but I just can't bring myself to spend $500 on an axle, especially if I don't really like the boots very much. If they had the nice hard boots that lasted forever, I might, but these boots tear a little too easy for my liking. But so we'll see. Hopefully it'll last longer this time. It started popping really prematurely and like binding up, so I think I might have had a something wrong in there to begin with. But I mean, who knows? I was running 32 backs and then those big tractor tires, but they started making noise on the backs. But yeah, really quick turnaround time. I made a video when I pulled the other one out to mail into them, so you can look, but I think it was less than 2 weeks or something. So that's about as good as it gets for axle rebuilds, guys. So good customer service. I'll definitely give them that. Not happy that it broke, but definitely appreciate how fast they got me another axle. So I'll probably swap it out for the piece of crap axle I put in there anyways. Is that oil underneath my bike? I think I got an oil leak. Huh. That's good I caught that. Probably that front output shaft seal again. Oh well. Continue working on putting the shocks on. The shock does not fit super easily with the high lift kit, so I'm going to have to get the grinder out. No big deal.